Morning students. Now we are going for the structure of the earth. It is the chapter 4 in geography for class 9th. Here we were going for the core, mantle, crust with their meaning, extent and their composition. Now regarding to the earth structure, the earth is made up of several concentric layers. The outer layer is the earth crust, the lithosphere. The parts of the earth crust that are immersed under the ocean and sea from the hydrosphere. Extending upward, the earth is enveloped or blanketed by gases which make up the atmosphere. Chemical composition of the earth structure. Here it is the lithosphere or the outermost crust of the earth. It is made up of rocks, large amount of silicate, feldspar, mica. Their lithosphere can be divided into two divisions, Sial and Sima. Sial appear float above the Sima because less density, and the name of Sial is taken from silica and aluminium. Sima named after the silica and magnesium. Sial from continents, while Sima makes up ocean floor. The core of the earth is called the Nephi. It is made up of nickel and iron. Now it is the diagram of the structure of the earth. So you have to find the earth is divided into the crust, mantle and core. Now internal composition. Based on the above chemical composition, earth interior is divided into three layers: core, mantle and crust. About the core, so it is the most inaccessible part lying of the center of the earth. The core is densest part of the earth. It is divided into the outer core and the inner core. Now basically the temperature ranges about the 4400 degrees centigrade to 6000 degrees centigrade. The entire core is about 7000 kilometer diameter. Generally believed that the iron and nickel, which is responsible for earth magnetic field oriented toward north and south. The solid state of the inner core due to high density and pressure, which has compressed molten material. Now here mantle. The layer lies below the crust, average thickness 2900 km and makes up 84% of the earth's total volume. The mantle is divided into two parts: the upper part mantle and the lower part mantle. The upper mantle extends from the Moho discontinuity to the depth of 700 km. It is cooler and made of solid rocks. The lower mantle extends from 700 km to 2900 km. Lower mantle is hotter than denser mantle, upper mantle. The depth of around 100 to 410 km. Mantle is partially molten and is known as asthenosphere. So please beta go with that asthenosphere. It is the very important point. At the depth around the 100 to 410 km, mantle is partially molten and known as asthenosphere. Lower mantle is solid due to high pressure. As the pressure increase toward the interior of the earth, density also increase and temperature varies between 1000 to around 3700 degrees centigrade. Now you have to see in the layer of the earth. It is the diagram here. Now Gutenberg discontinuity, boundary between the mantle and the core or the mantle core interface is known as Gutenberg discontinuity. It means the boundary between the mantle and the core. So you have to find the boundaries are given there. Okay, so see there beta, boundaries between the mantle and core is Gutenberg, and boundaries between the crust and mantle is known as the here. So they are as to be called the asthenosphere. Now it began depth of 2800 km. Here there is an abrupt change in the seismic waves generated by earthquakes or explosion that travel through the earth. Primary seismic waves decrease in velocity while secondary seismic waves disappear completely. It is denser, probably due to greater percentage of iron. Crust or lithosphere. The crust is called lithosphere because it is a sphere of solid rocks. Lithos meaning stones or rocks. Crust is only 1% of the earth mass and contain all known life in the universe. Crust is relatively thin layer rocks and thickness is 60 km below the high mountain, just 5 to 10 km below the ocean. Considering the size of the earth, the crust is relatively thin layer. Temperature of the upper part of oceanic crust has been estimated 0 degree but gradually start rising toward interior. The weight and pressure of rocks also start increasing with the depth. Mohorovic discontinuity. The discontinuity between crust and mantle was discovered by Yugoslavian scientist Andrija Mohorovic in 1909. It is simply known as Moho discontinuity. It forms boundary between the crust and the mantle. Now, like the crust, it does not exist at a uniform depth. It found on about 8 km beneath ocean, about 32 km beneath of the continent. Now you have to see in the diagram half structure of the diagram of earth. It has characteristic of both upper layer, the crust, its bottom layer, the mantle. Because of the continuous change in the earth crust due to the force of nature, thickness of lithosphere is very fragile compared to the nature composition of the earth. So this continental dip put forward by the Wagner of the early 20th century and the theory of plate tectonic put forth 1960 suggests that earth crust undergoes structural change beside the lateral movement give the earth a new shape through slowly over millions of years.